Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review a new package which I have received, which is called Electronic Muscle Stimulator. I'm not really sure what it is. Let's check it out together. So, looking at the packaging, not much written. Let's open it up. It comes with a user manual, so let's have a look. It's written in English. Thanks for purchasing low frequency multifunction physiotherapy instrument model. Alright, so it's a physiotherapy instrument. The company does not bear the duty of safety, reliability, performance guarantee. Okay, alright. When I see such a thing written in the user manual, it already means that the company does not have any responsibility. But fine, let's stay positive on this one. So if your low frequency multifunction physiotherapy instrument is not functioning properly, discontinue using the device and contact this company. Okay, safety guide, indications of use. It's intended to stimulate healthy muscles in order to improve the facilitate the muscle performance. Okay, all right. And device description. So the device components: LCD display, instructions, connection line, USB charging cable, electrode patch. Okay, so they are the electrodes. This is the device itself, and a couple of different cables to connect to the electrodes, and a USB charging. So there's even more. What is this called? Electrode patch. Interesting. So let's switch this on, have a look what we have. Interesting. So let's connect this and have a look what it does. I'm not really sure. So let's have a look. So this connects, I assume, to here. There is another one as well. So let's connect that one. So let me take the ports out. So one, I assume one connects to here, and the other one connects to there. Right, and this shall be removed. So I'm not really sure what it is, so I don't want to risk, but I would just try to something. Let's see what we have got. Oh, there are different levels. Let's see how many levels it could go up. 10, 11, 20. Alright, so it could go up to level 50. Well, I assume that would be very powerful. Let's go back to level 1 or 2 and see how it feels like. I will also read the instruction a little bit more carefully before trying the device. So just a disclaimer here, I actually looked at this device already, the descriptions, to avoid any risk. So and there's also kind of troubleshooting in here, so I assume this would answer different situations. So do not feel an effect, whether it's a dry skin, use after hand, wet or shower. Alright, so it should not be completely dry skin. Stock the skin pad not correctly. Alright, so I would just connect this a little bit. Quite a sticky plastic, I would say here. I would connect here. I'm not sure about the positions. I'm just trying to test the product, I would say here. Connect this one to another finger. So it goes basically through the two fingers, the signal. Yeah, I can feel actually something interesting. Yeah, I can feel a kind of very low frequency of electricity going through my two fingers. Very low. I'm not going to increase this one, and I'm not really sure what is the use case of this device. I'm not a medical doctor, unfortunately, so I can't give any advice on this one, but quite an interesting product. I'm not sure what's the use case, but I believe, as it's written, is for physiotherapy. Fine, hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and make sure you subscribe. I have always new videos every day posted on different products. Thank you and see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.